Well, we're gonna try a little lunch break fishing. Because why not? It is raining a bit. Might get wet and cold. See if we can catch some bluegills. Some bait for a weekend trip. Never fished here before. Been wanting to try it for a while now. Just it's on the other side of town from where I live. Let this guy sit on the bottom. Golfing in the rain. Guess it's no different than fishing in the rain, huh? Missed him. Missed him again. Got him that time. Boulder dash. I had him. It's really drizzling now. Like I said, it's the first time I've been here. Doesn't seem to be very deep in this general area. You can see a half of a tree laying in the bottom. I don't know, 50 feet out or so. But I'll definitely hit this up again when it's warmer. Ah, son of a gun. Another bite. Take off with it again. Ooh, look at that. And that little rainbow trout. Ah, come on. They got some green stuff coming out. Nice. Alright, buddy. Here you go. Yuck. I don't know what that green stuff was. I've never seen that before. My third rainbow trout. When I seen it come to the surface, I thought it was a little catfish. A little channel catfish. Got... Son of a gun. It's the second one I've missed. Yeah, it stopped raining. Sun's trying to poke out through the clouds. The wind is a little chilly, but other than that, it's not too bad. Oh, son of a bitch. See if I... Nope, there it goes. Well, I missed that chance. Guess I should have paid better attention to the line around the stick. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and head out of here. Too aggravated at myself for that one. Bait mission was a fail. It's alright. Still got a few more days before the weekend. Well, if we get out tomorrow, there'll be more after this. If not, you'll see me on the river.